Welcome to the Creating Significant Figures questions in the Question Library demo. In this demo, you will learn how to create a significant figures question in a section in your question library. At the end of this demo, you will be able to create a significant figure style question in any assessment. First, log in to your D2L Brightspace account and go into your course. On the gray course navigation bar, click on the Assessments link. Notice the tabs at the top: Manage Assessments, Question Library, and Statistics. Click on the Question Library tab. Now we are going to create new questions in this section. Click on the section name to go into its folder. From the New drop-down button, click on the Significant Figures question. You can leave the title of the question blank. Doing so will make the question text show up as the title. You can leave the points value set to 1. This number can be changed later when you create your assessment. Click in the question text field and enter in your question. Example: add X miles plus Y miles and round to 3 significant figures. Notice that the variables are enclosed with braces. The braces tell the computer that X and Y are variables that will be defined for this question. If you want to add an image to go along with this question only, click the Insert an Image button. Click the Upload button. Locate the image on your computer, select the image, click Open. Once your image is uploaded, click Add. In the Formula field, enter your formula. Be sure to put your variables inside braces. Example: X plus Y. Choose how many significant figures you want in your answer. Choose what portion of the question the significant figures answer is worth. Choose the tolerance that will make this an acceptable answer. Enter your units. In this example, our units are miles. Enter the percentage of this question's value that the units will get. We'll set this at 10%. Now we get to the variables. We used the variables in the question inside braces, but here we do not enter the braces. Put a variable in each name box. Next, set the range for the variable X. Example: min 3 times 10 to the 4th, max 4 times 10 to the 4th, step 1 times 10 to the 2nd. This means that when the computer chooses an X value, it must choose the value according to these rules. The lowest X it can choose is 3 times 10 to the 4th, or 30,000. The highest is 4 times 10 to the 4th, or 40,000. It can choose a number using a step of 1 times 10 to the 2nd, or 100. This means it can only choose 30,000, 30,100, 30,200, and so on, until it gets to 40,000. Next, set the range for the variable Y. Example: min 4 times 10 to the 4th, max 5 times 10 to the 4th, step 1 times 10 to the 3rd. This means that when the computer chooses a Y value, it must choose the value according to these rules. The lowest Y it can choose is 40,000, and Y choices increase by 1,000. So the next Y choices are 41,000, 42,000, 43,000. This is the highest y value, as it cannot exceed 50,000. Now click the Test button next to the formula field. Make sure that your formula is working properly. Then click the Done button. If you want to see what the question will look like, click the Preview button at the bottom of the page. Then click the Done button when you are finished. If you want to create another question very similar to this one, click on the Save and Copy button. That will save this question and create another one with all of this question's information, so that you can just edit this question's information instead of retyping it. If you want to create another question of this question type, click on the Save and New button. That will save this question and give you a new blank question of this question type. When you are finished making changes, click on the Save button in the bottom left corner, and you will return to your list of questions. You have now successfully created a significant figures question in the question library.